Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS AppSync for GraphQL and mobile apps, full guide step by step clearly. To activate AWS AppSync for GraphQL and mobile apps, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS AppSync service from the console. Click on the Create API button to initiate the process. Select Build from Scratch to create a new GraphQL API. Provide a name for your API that reflects its purpose. Choose an appropriate authentication method for your application, such as API Key, Amazon Cognito User Pool, or IAM. Click Create to finalize the setup of your new API. Once your API is created, you'll be directed to the AppSync console. In the left sidebar, select Schema to define your GraphQL schema. Write your type definitions in the schema editor based on your app's data requirements. Define queries, mutations, and subscriptions that clients will use to interact with the API. Once your schema is ready, click on Save Schema to apply your changes. Next, navigate to the Data Sources section in the left sidebar. Click on Add Data Source to connect your API to a backend service. Choose the type of data source, whether it's an Amazon DynamoDB table, an AWS Lambda function, or an HTTP endpoint. Configure the settings for your chosen data source, including the name and the necessary permissions. Click Create to add the data source to your API. With your data source configured, go to the Resolvers section in the left sidebar. Select the type and field you want to associate with a resolver. Click Attach to connect the resolver to your data source. Configure the resolver settings, including request and response mapping templates. Test the resolver using the testing console to ensure it returns the expected results. Once all resolvers are configured, proceed to the Queries section to test your API. Use the integrated query editor to run GraphQL queries and mutations against your API. If everything works as expected, you'll need to integrate the AWS AppSync SDK in your mobile app. Open your mobile apps project and install the AWS Amplify library if you haven't already. Follow the installation instructions specific to your mobile platform, whether it's iOS or Android. Once installed, initialize AWS Amplify in your app using the provided configuration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.